gotten this S3XY strip, which is a product made by Enhance, and we are going to install it together now, so let's see what's in the box. Hello, welcome to channel. So the minus temperatures has arrived Finland, and soon the real cold winter starts, and we are expecting for the first snowfall. And now it's the -1 degrees, and it starts to be, at least in the night time, the minus degrees, and daytime will have still plus degrees in the upcoming week. But as I mentioned, I have gotten this S3XY strip, which is a product made by Enhance, and we are going to install it together now, so let's see what's in the box. So let's open the box. This is nice opening experience, like a little bit like Apple copy. And here, so thank you for supporting us. And here is the LED strip itself. And okay, it has been attached as a sticker with that, this kind of thing, and this tool to remove the trim here, and these are going to share the connections, and some paper, let's see. Okay, so there is double-sided tape from 3M. It's the same VHP tape that I used for installing the spoiler. Okay, and now I will take a look of the instructions in the internet. The heat pump is yelling like crazy, so this gives good expectations for the upcoming winter. But the first thing is to remove this strip here. Okay, nice. Let's put it into the back seat. Put it into the back seat to wait. Yeah. So okay, I'm checking those instructions from the Enhance video. This should be taken off. It's hard with one hand. Let's see how it's done in the video. Of 1025. Okay. First, remove the rubber door seal all the way back. No, okay. Rubber door was removed. The provided pry tool. I have pry tool. I will have to take this off first. It's nice to hear that Eastern European accent. I respect those guys for making this kind of product and the entrepreneurship. It's not easy to build products and market them to nerds. Remove the pin that holds the panel in place. Okay, I will have to remove the pin that holds the panel in place. Okay, this is now off, and here is the pin. And here is the pin that holds the panel in place. This tool is not so good because it doesn't have the fork. But I remember I have gotten the better tool, I think, from the previous product. So they are saving money, looks like it. So this can fit better here. And now we are talking. Okay, great. And now I can remove this. Let's look at the instruction video.
L-shaped piece starting from the bottom.
I will start from the bottom. Oh. Oh, there was some kind of... Let's see if I broke something or not. Where is this from? It is from here. I will attach it here. Haha, easy to do with one hand. Let's hope I won't fall this. Boom. Okay, I will put this piece to rest here in the back seat. Okay. Let's see what happens next. At least there is sand. I would have to clean those someday, maybe.
Use the pry tool for leverage next to each pin. Once the panel is out, locate two ports. One for powering the controller, the same on all Model 3 and Ys from 2020.
Okay, I have one.
Standing OBD plug, which may be right in front or slightly hidden behind the cables. Sometimes it's even glued depending on what Tesla used at that time. Disconnect the power cable, then daisy chain our connectors into it.
Okay, I have already that commander, so let's look up some facts here. So let's see.
You are all set. If you already have another gadget installed, like our sexy commander, just daisy chain both OBD cables together as shown on the screen. Both products will work without issue. Now let's plug the light strip into the control.
Okay, so I have this product already, so I must just daisy chain this. Let's see what happens now. Was this the correct? Let's see. They go so fast.
Then daisy chain our connectors into it. Plug.
So that was, I think, the place to daisy chain. Now it's off. And maybe this goes to here. I don't know. Maybe. And maybe this goes here. Okay. And now I will try to find the new commander or what was controller. No. Is it here or not? No, there it is. So I put it here. Okay.
The male OBD port into the Tesla's female port. The controller should start flashing immediately, meaning you are all set. If you already have another gadget installed, like our sexy commander, just daisy chain both OBD cables together as shown on the screen. Both products will work without issue. Now let's plug the light strip into the controller to make sure it powers on.
Make sure that the power is on. Okay. Tesla again. Okay, so now it's powered on. Okay, great. Then no. You can drive your own car. Okay. Let's see if there is something flashing or not. Not at least now. Let's see, and let's try to connect this to this. Let's see what happens. Now and now nothing is happening. It is linked here and it is linked here. Why nothing is happening? But I did the wrong, I don't know.
For pre-refresh test out like our sexy commander, just daisy chain both OBD cables together as shown on the screen. Both products will work without issue. Now let's plug the light strip into the controller to make sure
it went so quickly. Was the order different than I was thinking? And seems like the battery or power doesn't have to be off, I think. Or should I daisy chain this to here? Is this something that is needed to connect also? Let's see. Oh, yeah. Now I have it on. Okay. It usually helps when you are connecting all the cables.
power's on.
Yes?
Let's move to the easier part.
Okay.
The sexy strip.
Let's move on to the easier part.
Simple to install. I'll first show you how to place it in the legacy model 3Y and then on the newer Highland and Juniper models.
Okay.
For the refresh test was the strip is slightly shorter due to two small bumps on each side of the air vent.
Okay, I will first clean up that area. So, okay, now it's cleaned and the instruction video says that there is the bump in this old model Y where we should connect this.
For pre-refresh test was the strip is slightly shorter due to two small bumps at each side of the air vent. These bumps prevent using the entire span, but it's only a couple of inches that won't be illuminated, and you can actually use them as guides for positioning. You can remove it, replace the tape with the spare one from the box, and try again.
Okay.
For the updated model 3 and Y, the process is even easier. The strip is longer and covers them.
Okay, so 1 millimeter from there. It is so, I'm not so handy with hands. It's always a little bit hard for me, but let's try my best. And always when you have age you cannot see so good anymore. There is so many good excuses why this perfect isn't installed perfectly. It's not going straight at all. My hands are so clumsy. It looks so easy in the video when the professionals are doing it. I'm so happy that my professional career is not based on my hands. Okay, now it's quite good. So I can see that it is a little bit away from, it's not evenly spread. But it's always up to installer. In theory this is an easy task, but in practice I must respect those people who are doing their living by hand, doing these concrete, actual, practical things. Nowadays it's harder to get the plumber than an IT specialist to work for you. Okay, now it looks quite okay. But but to be honest, this was not easy task for me. But let's see what are the next steps.
Tar vent sitting right on the fabric. Simply lift the dash slightly and tuck the wire into the gap. Then reconnect it to the gap.
Okay, wire into the gap first. I will have to just lift this. Okay, so this car is so plastic car, so everything can be lifted and moved easily. Let's see how it's done in the video.
And reassemble the right A pillar. Place the L-shaped piece panels. On older Model 3 and Y, simply lift the dash slightly and tuck the wire into the gap.
Simply.
Reconnect it.
Sounds easier said than done once again. This is not so simple for me. Okay. Now it's in place for some level, but how they are able to hide that? Because it's already, it's showing here that there is this strip. Let's see. This is a little bit disappointing, to be honest. Those previous products has been a pleasure to install, but this is so hard for me. This shouldn't be showing so much.
To the controller and reassemble the right. Once the strip and the controller are in place, the last step is hiding the wires and reassembling the panels. On older Model 3 and Y, simply lift the dash slightly,
so
tuck
push
the wire into the gap. Then
push it in the behind.
The controller.
Okay, so behind of this. So now we'll have to just lift this and push this. Because this part is pointing here outwards, not inwards. Maybe I can a little bit demonstrate you. So as you can see, this part is going outwards, not inwards, and it's getting the loop to go into the wrong direction. It should be going in this direction. It would be hiding. And the tape is already moving all the time, so it is not giving a perfect install here. And also I'm scratching this. I'm not so happy with this. But okay, and now if I get a possibility to put some tape a little bit there, it could be helping it a little bit. Okay. Now I want to hide it. Let's hope it sticks here now. Yes, a little bit hope. But when I look at this, it looks very clean, to be honest. But this is the painful part of not so handyman. So now it starts to be maybe sticking a little bit. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it's installed some way. I'm not so happy with this. But now let's put all these back. Yes, a little bit brute force is needed sometimes. Looks like it. Yeah, this is like a small puzzle with this car. Everything is quite cheap plastic. So this goes there. when you're installing this, you're thinking, is this really so clumsy and badly designed? But seems like it is. And now the last one was the seal rubber. Now it's time to clean it also with IPA. There's a couple of dirty parts still there. And this is always dirty from the shoes. Especially in the winter time, there's always the slush and snow which is coming inside. Okay, now the fun part of this process should be starting, and let's see. Now there is the sexy app, and seems like there is the software update, and there is the strip. Connect to a strip. Connecting. Hopefully it finds now. Oh no. At least the knob is connected. Yes, this is connected also. So power mode now. But let's put the maximum brightness so we can see. Okay, let's try to change color. Blue, yeah, it changes. Pretty nice. Okay, let's try to make it a little bit like yellow or maybe orange. Let's put, okay, light effects. Blind spot assistant is on. Turn signals. Greeting animation, okay. Charging, speed limit, sentry mode. Okay. Maybe I will update the firmware. Yeah, it's updating, so I will make a separate video of the practical how this strip works and what I'm thinking about it. But thanks for watching this video, and this was a realistic version of the installation, so it seemed so easy in the enhances videos, but when you don't have the practical hand skills, it takes lots of more time than presented in the official video. But what do you think? Would you like to install Sexy Strip into your own Tesla, and would you do it yourself? Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. And we are going towards cold winter months, so let's see what is coming. Thank you, bye bye.